Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how you can export ChatGPT data. Now to do that, open a Google browser in your PC or in your laptop and click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in chat.openai.com and press enter and open the Chat OpenAI account of yours. As you can see, I am already logged in into my account. Now once you are logged in, what you need to do is go to the three horizontal lines over here just beside your user name or your email address. Click that. Then you need to go and click on setting. Click open setting. In this setting, you need to go to the data control. Click that. And there you will have the option of export data. You click on export. Request data export. Are you sure your account detail and conversation will be included in the export? The data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file. Processing may take some time. You will be notified when it's ready. So if you're ready to export the file, click on confirm export. You can see the notification successfully exported data. You should receive an email shortly with your data. If you go and check your email, there you can see the OpenAI mail where the downloaded data has been sent. You click on download data export and all the data will be downloaded in a file. Now you just need to extract these files and you will have all the data regarding the Chat OpenAI account of yours. Hope this video was useful on how you can export data in ChatGPT. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.